Imagine spending $500,000 only to realize your bedroom can barely fit a bed. Or your balcony opens straight into your neighbor's window. Yup, bad condo floor plans are real and they can cost you way more than just money. Hey, I'm Rahul, your Metro Vancouver real estate guide. Today, we're diving into red flags of condo layouts so you don't end up with regrets or worse, a unit nobody wants to buy later. Whether you're a first-time buyer, investor, or just love real estate tea, this one's for you. And at the end, I'll even show you my checklist of the 5 biggest floor plan traps I see in our market right now. Let's go. Here's the thing, when most people walk into a condo showroom, they're sold on the vibe, the view, the finishings, the dream. But the one thing that sticks with you day after day is the layout. You'll forgive old appliances, you won't forgive a kitchen that barely lets 2 people stand side by side. And developers know this. This is why they sometimes stretch units just to meet square footage targets without thinking about livability. It's like buying pants based on waist size but forgetting to check if you can bend your knees. Let's get real now. Here are the 7 signs that you're looking at a bad condo floor plan. Number 1, no entryway. You walk straight into the kitchen, no transition, no drop zone, just groceries in your arms and keys in your mouth. Number 2, wasted hallways. Long, narrow corridors. Congrats, you're paying 1,100 square feet to stare at a drywall. Number 3, bedroom with no window. Yes, still legal, but your house plants will hate you, so will your resale value. Number 4, weird kitchen triangle. Sink, stove and fridge should form a triangle, not a scavenger hunt. Number 5, balcony with zero privacy. Nothing like sipping coffee while locking eyes with a stranger brushing their teeth. Number 6, column cutting through the living room. That concrete column, you can't remove it. Your furniture hates it. So will your future buyer. Number 7, one bathroom only accessible through the bedroom. Hosting guests shouldn't mean giving them a tour of your laundry hamper. According to CMHC, over 60% of resale issues in condos come from functional layout problems, not just wear and tear. Let's be fair, not all developers are evil villains with a blueprint. Sometimes zoning, setbacks, and profit margins force tough decisions. And in high-density cities like Vancouver, every square inch matters. But there is a difference between compact and compromised. If a layout feels like a game of Tetris, chances are you're the block that doesn't fit. Okay, let's flip the script. Here's what makes a layout feel like home, even before you move in. Defined zones: entry, kitchen, living, sleep, like chapters in a book. Natural light, windows in every bedroom, bonus if the bathroom gets some too. Minimal wasted space, compact but not crammed, square or rectangular rooms. Ever tried fitting a sofa in a trapezoid? Separation of bedrooms, especially in 2-bed units, this is gold. Direct bathroom access for guests. Privacy equal peace. Even in smaller units, smart design feels bigger. You might think it's not forever, I'll sell it later, but guess what? Everyone else is thinking that too. And when it's time to sell, the market punishes bad layouts. Buyers walk in and walk right out. Stale listings equal price reductions, especially in slow markets. And if you live there, every frustration adds up. A bad layout chips away at your peace of mind, one awkward morning at a time. Before we wrap up, here's the bad floor plan trap checklist you should never ignore. Number 1, no window in bedroom. Number 2, awkward entryway or no foyer. Number 3, long, narrow hallways. Number 4, weird kitchen triangle. Number 5, zero separation between rooms. Number 6, balcony with no privacy. Number 7, obstructive pillars in living spaces. Use this every time you're comparing layouts, especially in pre-sale brochures. Condo hunting shouldn't be a trap, and now it won't be. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. And if you're planning to buy in Metro Vancouver, shoot me a message. I'd love to help you avoid those costly layout regrets. And don't forget to grab the free checklist in the description. Your future self will thank you later. See you in the next one.